Title: Why Smart Youth Are Quietly Buying Gold. No one talks about this. Some 22-year-olds are buying iPhones on EMI, and some are quietly buying gold. 5 years later, only one group will win. And most youth don't even realize what's happening. This video is not about jewelry, not about tradition, and definitely not about parents' advice. This is about why smart youth are doing something silently, while everyone else is stuck in EMIs. Watch till the end, because this decision can change your future. Let's be honest. Most youth income goes into phone EMI, bike EMI, lifestyle EMI. Salary comes and disappears. Savings almost zero. Now here's the scary part. Pattern break. Gold price truth. Gold prices in India are rising fast. Not because gold became better, but because money is becoming weaker. Smart people understand one thing. When gold rises, it's a warning signal. Show gold chart for 2 seconds. Core message. Smart youth are not rich. They don't post reels about it. They don't show off. They do 3 simple things. Point 1. They don't buy everything on EMI. Point 2. They convert small savings into assets, not expenses. Point 3. They understand one rule. Things that lose value is not equal to investment. Comparison. EMI versus gold. Phone EMI. Value goes down every year. Gold. Value holds, sometimes grows. One makes you feel rich today. The other protects you tomorrow. Smart youth choose tomorrow. This is why parents could afford gold later in life. And today's youth struggles despite earning more. Not because youth is lazy, but because the system pushes easy EMI, not smart decisions. Warning plus awareness. This doesn't mean sell everything and buy gold. It means understand what gold price rise is telling you. If you ignore it, EMI will slowly control your life. Smart youth are not chasing trends. They are quietly protecting their future. And 5 years later, their life looks very different. If you're between 18 to 24 and you want content that actually helps your future, subscribe. Because no one teaches this in school. And comment below, EMI lifestyle or asset mindset.